Adding oil. Saute onion. Tomato. Add pork. Ground black pepper. Add water. More water. Cover and simmer until pork is tender. Add taro root. Add string beans. Sinigang mix. Fish sauce. Add raddish. Green chili. Add kangkong. Done and ready to serve. Thank you for watching and see you on my next video.